Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, GTR Math Tutorial, and Facebook, RJ Enseñado. So for today's video, we will discuss another set of Civil Service Exam Reviewer for Numerical Reasoning. So ang specific topic natin ay age problems. So meron tayong 5 problems na tungkol sa age problems. Okay, so ito yung first problem natin. Okay, so bawat slide ay i-post nyo po tapos try nyo sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution tapos i-comment nyo po ang inyong score. Okay, so bago po pala ang lahat, so kung gusto nyo ng Civil Service Exam Reviewer, so ito po yung mga recommended ko. Sa mga nanonood po sa YouTube, makikita nyo po yan sa product. So yan, so meron tayong 4 na nakatag na Civil Service Exam Reviewer. So recommended ko po yung mga reviewer na yan. Maganda po ang mga nasa loob niyan, kumpleto yung mga solution, detailed yung solution sa math, tapos marami ring mga reviewer sa ibang subject. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, John is 4 times as old as Mark. In 5 years, John will be 3 times as old as Mark. How old is Mark now? So pag ganitong mga age problem, ang magandang gawin dito ay gagawa tayo ng table. So para madaling ma-i-analyze. Okay, so gawa lang tayo ng table. Ilagay natin yung mga pangalan. So we have John and Mark. So lagay lang natin yung name ni John at Mark. And then ang tinatanong, how old is Mark now? So lagyan natin ng now or pwede present ang ilagay. So ang sabi sa problem, John is 4 times as old as Mark. So nakabase, yung age ni John nakabase kay Mark. So si Mark ang gagawin nating variable na X. So kahit anong variable pwede nating gamitin. So let Mark be X and then John is 4 times as old as Mark. So i-multiply natin yung age ni Mark sa 4 since John is 4 times. So therefore, ang expression para kay John ay 4x. Okay? In 5 years, so in 5 years, magdagdag tayo ng another column. So ito yung future, pwedeng ilagay natin dito. Future, pwede ring 5 years. Okay? So future na lang ang ilagay ko. At yung eksakto, 5 years. So 5 years sa future, so therefore, mag-add tayo ng 5 sa age nila now. So therefore, ang future age ni John at Mark ay 4x plus 5 at x plus 5. So yan yung in 5 years. So dito tayo kukuha ng equation natin, ng expression sa column na 5 years. So sabi in 5 years, isa-isahin natin John. So in 5 years, yung age ni John, so ito yon age ni John in 5 years. So we have 4x plus 5. Okay? Will be. Ang ibig sabihin ng will be ay equal sign. 3 times, ibig sabihin i-multiply sa 3. 3 times, lagyan natin ng parenthesis, 3 times as old as Mark. As old as Mark, so ito yung age ni Mark in 5 years. So nasa future, so we have x plus 5. Okay? So ito na ang ating working equation. Okay, so ulitin natin. Ulitin natin. In 5 years, so ito na yung column natin in 5 years. John, so ito yung age ni John, 4x plus 5, will be, that means equal sign, 3 times, so nakamultiply sa 3, 3 times as old as Mark, yung age ni Mark sa future, so that is x plus 5. So how old is Mark now? Just solve the value of x. Okay? So solve the value of x, distribute muna natin yung 3. Just copy 4x plus 5 equals 3 times x, we have 3x. 3 times 15, so we have positive 15. Pagsamahin si 4x at 3x, so dalhin sa kabila si 3x, so by subtracting 3x to both sides. So this now 0. 4x minus 3x, so that's equal to x, plus 5 is equal to 15. Last step, dalhin yung 5 sa kabilang side, subtract 5 to both sides. So this is now 0. Therefore, the age of Mark, x is equal to 15 minus 5, x is equal to 10. So yun na yung age ni Mark. Age ni Mark ay 10. So the correct answer is letter E. Okay, so i-checking natin. So checking kung ang age ni Mark ay 10, ang age ni John ay magiging 4 times 10, 40. Tapos sa future nila, plus 5, yung 40 magiging 45. And then yung 10 naman, magiging 15. Okay, eksakto. Sabi in 5 years, John will be 3 times as old as Mark. Pag minultiply natin sa 3, ang age ni Mark, 15 times 3, that is equal to 45. Okay? next number 2. Okay, so number 2, 4 years ago, Anna was twice as old as Bea. Now, Anna is 30 years old. What is the present age of Bea? So, gawa tayo ng table ulit. Ang hinahanap natin, what is the present age of Bea? So, lagay natin dito. First column, Bea and Anna. Tapos, lagay natin yung present or now. So, ang hinahanap natin, what is the present age of Bea? So, si Bea, yung hinahanap natin, lagay na natin X si Bea. Okay, so yung present age nila, si Bea ay X. Then, punta tayo dito 4 years ago. So, 4 years ago, ito yung past. Ito yung 4 years ago. So, -4 kasi 4 years ago. So, yung 4 years ago, Anna was twice as old as Bea. So, yung past nila ni Bea, magiging X minus 4. Tapos si Anna, given yung age ni Anna. So, 4 years ago, dito tayo kukuha ng equation natin mamaya. Anna was twice as old as Bea. Now, Anna is 30 years old. So, si Anna, given yung present age ni Anna, 30 years old daw si Anna. So, yung past age ni Anna, 4 years ago, edi subtract lang tayo ng 4 dito sa 30, magiging 26. So, ngayon, buuin na natin ang ating equation. So, sabi dito, 4 years ago, so dito tayo sa column na ito, Anna was twice as old as Bea. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin yon. 4 years ago sa column na ito. So, Anna, age ni Anna, ang ibig sabihin nun, ayun, age ni Anna, 26. Was, ibig sabihin ng was ay equal sign. Twice. Twice as old as Bea, imumultiply sa 2 yung age ni Bea. So, multiply natin sa 2 ang age ni Bea, which is x minus 4. So, we have 2 times x minus 4. Okay, so now what is the present age of Bea? Just solve the value of x. Okay, so distribute lang natin itong 2. So 26 is equal to 2 times x, we have 2x. 2 times -4, we have -8. And then, itong -8, dalhin natin sa kabilang side by adding 8 to both sides. So this is now 0. Cancel na natin. 26 plus 8, that is equal to 34. 34 is equal to 2x. Last step, divide both sides by 2. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 34 divided by 2. That is equal to 17. The correct answer is letter B. Okay, i-checking natin. Si Bea ay 17. Kunin natin yung past age nila. Subtract tayo ng 4. Kulayan nga natin. So 17, yung age ni Bea. Subtract tayo ng 4. 17 minus 4, that is equal to 13. 30 minus 4, we have 26. Okay, eksakto. Sabi, 4 years ago, Anna was twice as old as Bea. So yun, si Anna ay twice as old. Ito si Anna. Pag tinimes to natin si Bea, eksakto siyang 26. Okay, so next number 3. The sum of the ages of a father and son is 50. 5 years ago, the father was 4 times as old as the son. How old is the son now? Okay, so gawa tayo ng table ulit. Ang first column, ang given natin, father and son. So lagay na natin dito, father and son. So ang hinahanap dito ay how old is the son now. So lagyan natin ng age nila now. So ang alam natin, the sum, ayun, so given ang sum of the ages of father and son, 50 daw yung sum nila. So 50 ang sum ng ages nila now. Ang hinahanap natin, how old is the son? How old is the son now? So ilagay na natin yung variable x natin kay son. So si son ay ilagay natin x. So therefore, ang magiging age ni father, dahil ang total nila ay 50, ang magiging age ni father ay 50 minus x. Okay? So example, halimbawa dito, kapag may son tayo dito, ilagay natin ang age ni son ay 10. Paano makuha yung age ni father? 50 minus 10, 40. Okay? So paano nakuha itong 40? Minus lang yung 10, itong x, minus lang dito sa 50. Okay? So kapag expression ang nilagay natin, kung si son ay x, si father ay magiging 50 minus x dahil ang total nga nila ay 50. Okay? So next, we have 5 years ago. So yung past, ito yung past nila 5 years ago. Lagyan natin ng minus 5 kasi 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, subtract tayo ng 5 dito sa expression natin. So we have 50 minus x minus 5. And then itong kabila, x minus 5. Tapos isimplify natin. Itong 50 minus x minus 5, pwedeng makombine itong 50 minus 5, magiging 45 na lang. Okay? So, simplify na natin. 45 na lang ilagay natin dito. So, 45 minus x. So, ngayon, dito tayo kukuha ng ating expression. Buuin na natin ang ating equation 5 years ago. Ibig sabihin sa column nito ng past, the father. So, ibig sabihin nun, father's age. Ayan. So, 45 minus x was. Ibig sabihin ng was ay equal sign. 4 times. So, 4 times, edi i-multiply sa 4 ang age ni son. 4 times as old as son. So, ito yung age ni son, x minus 5. So, we have 4 times x minus 5. So, now, solve the value of x. Ang hinahanap natin, how old is the son now? Just find the value of x. Okay, solve the value of x. So, distribute natin itong 4. Okay? So we have 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 5, we have negative 20. Just copy this, 45 minus x. Pagsamahin natin yung x. So itong negative x, dalhin natin sa kabilang side. So add x to both sides. Okay? This now 0. We have 45 is equal to 4x plus x. That is equal to 5x minus 20. So si negative 20, dalhin natin sa kabilang side by adding 20 to both sides. Okay? Cancel this. 45 plus 20, that is equal to 65 equals 5x. Last step, divide both sides by 5. Okay, divide both sides by 5. Therefore, the value of x is 65 divided by 5. That is equal to 13. So the age of the son is 13. Okay, so let's do the checking. If the son is 13, that means the age of the father is 50 minus 13. The father is 37. Then let's subtract 5 to their ages now. 37 minus 5 is 32. 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay, eksakto. 5 years ago, the father was 4 times. 4 times as old. So 8 times 4 is equal to 32. Okay, so our answer is correct. The age of the son is 13. Okay, so next number 4. 3 years ago, Mike was 3 times as old as Sam. Now, he is only twice as old. How old is Mike now? Okay, so the question is, how old is Mike now? So ito yung kung ano yung hinahanap, yun na yung gawin nating variable, x. Okay? So lagyan lang natin, first column, Mike and Sam. Okay, so Mike and Sam, ito yung kanilang present age or age now. Okay, so ang hinahanap natin, how old is Mike now? So si Mike, lagyan natin ng X. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung age ni Sam. Balikan natin ang problem. 3 years ago, Mike was 3 times as old as Sam. Okay, so yun. So given daw 3 years ago. So lagay natin ang 3 years ago, yung past age nila. 3 years ago, kaya minus 3. Minus 3 yung age nila. Si Mike magiging x minus 3. So si Sam hindi pa natin alam, no? Wala pang nakalagay. Ito nakalagay dito. Now, ayun. Now, he is only twice as old. So balikan muna natin. Nauna kasi yung 3 years ago, no? 3 years ago, Mike was 3 times as old as Sam. Now, he is only twice as old. Okay? So sino ang twice as old? So si Mike, 3 years ago, Mike was 3 times as old as Sam. Si Mike daw, 3 times as old as Sam. So babalik na rin pala natin ito. Kasi nakabase yung age ni Mike, Mike was 3 times as old as Sam. Kapag si Mike ang ginawa nating x, si Sam magiging 1/3 x. Ayaw natin ng fraction, nakakalito yan. So ang gagawin pala natin dito, si Sam ang gagawin nating x, si Mike magiging 3x. Kasi, oops, nasa 3 years ago pala tayo. Nandito pala tayo sa 3 years ago. Okay, so ulitin natin. Ulitin natin para malinaw. So lagay natin ang age ni Mike at tsaka ni Sam. Nauna yung 3 years ago kasi. So 3 years ago, so ilagay natin yung past minus 3. Pero kahit naman magkabaligtad, okay lang yan. So now at saka yung past. Okay, so past 3 years ago. So the question, how old is Mike now? Pero yung age nga ni Mike, yung age ni Mike nakabase sa age ni Sam. 3 years ago, Mike was 3 times as old as Sam. So Mike was 3 times as old as Sam. Now, he is only twice as old. So yung age nila now, si Mike daw ay twice as old. Twice as old as Sam. So therefore, si Sam ay X, si Mike ay magiging 2X. Okay? So tapos yung past age nila, so past age nila, subtract tayo ng 3. So we have 2X minus 3, age ni Mike, and then ang age ni Sam, past age 3 years ago, so we have X minus 3. So ngayon, buuin na natin ang ating equation. Balik tayo dito, 3 years ago. 3 years ago. So dito sa column na ito, Mike. So yung Mike, age ni Mike 3 years ago. So that is 2x minus 3. And then was, ibig sabihin ng was ay equal sign. 3 times as old. So nakamultiply sa 3. 3 times as old as Sam, age ni Sam 3 years ago. So we have x minus 3. So ang question, how old is Mike now? Ang hinahanap natin, age ni Mike. Pero yung x natin ay age ni Sam. So isolve muna natin yung age ni Sam tapos i-times 2 lang natin para makuha yung age ni Mike. Okay? Solve for x, distribute this. Just copy 2x minus 3. So 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 3, we have negative 9. Pagsamahin yung 2x at 3x, subtract 2x to both sides. So this we can cancel this. It's now 0. 3x minus 2x, that is equal to x minus 9. So, pagsamahin si negative 3 at si negative 9, dalhin si negative 9 sa kabilang side, add 9 to both sides. Okay, so this is now 0. Therefore, the value of x is negative 3 plus 9 or simply 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. So, mabuti na lang walang 6 sa choices natin. Kasi ang 6 ay si Sam. Okay? Ang age ni Sam ay 6. Ang hinahanap natin, age ni Mike. So, si Mike ay 2 times x. So, therefore, age of Mike is 12. The correct answer is letter B. Okay, so let's do the checking. Now, he is only twice as old. So, ito na nga yan, 12 and 6. So, kunin natin yung past age nila, subtract 3. So, we have 12 minus 3, we have 9. 6 minus 3, we have 3. Okay, eksakto. 3 years ago, Mike was 3 times as old as Sam. I-multiply natin daw sa 3. Yung age ni Sam, 3 times 3 ay equal dito. Okay, so nasatisfy ang condition. Last number, number 5. Okay, so number 5, the age of Maria is 5 more than twice the age of her sister. If Maria is 26, how old is her sister? So dito sa problem na to, hindi natin kailangan gumawa ng table kasi wala namang past age, wala ring future. So pwedeng direct ano na lang natin to, i-translate word by word. Okay, so i-translate natin word by word. So the age of Maria, so hindi natin alam yung age ni Maria. So lagay lang natin, ito yung age ni Maria. Age ni Maria, the age of Maria is, equal sign ng ibig sabihin ng is 5 more than. 5 more than. So ang ibig sabihin ng 5 more than, mag-a-add tayo ng 5. Okay? The age of Maria, ayan, Maria lang ang nilagay natin, is equal sign 5 more than, so plus 5, twice. Twice the age of her sister. So twice the age of her sister, so that means 2 times age of her sister, lagay natin x itong age ng kanyang sister, so therefore, Maria's age is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay? Another condition, if Maria is 29. So ang age daw ni Maria ay 29. So itong Maria dito, palitan natin ng 29. So ang tanong, how old is her sister? Ayun. How old is her sister? Yung sister's age natin ay x. So just solve the value of x. So ito na yung working equation natin. 29 equals 2x plus 5. So solve the value of x. So lipat natin itong 5 sa kabilang side. Subtract 5 to both sides. So this now 0. 29 minus 5, we have 24 is equal to 2x. So isang step na lang. Divide both sides by 2. Therefore, ang age ng sister niya, x is equal to 24 divided by 2. That is equal to 12. The correct answer is letter C. That's all. So, thank you for watching. I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa video na ito. Kung meron po kayong math question, i-comment nyo lang or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. So kung first time nyo dito, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe and click the bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod pang mga math reviewer para sa civil service exam. So good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.